Brown flower. Caterpillars? No? No caterpillars.
Manoa. We're doing tours. And it wasn't free, but it would be
Ooh.
interesting.
That sounds like a good YouTube channel for you to start.
Oh look, we've got it blocked over there too. Ah. So something in that short film.
Oh, we don't know what's going on over there. Oh, star fruit. Star fruit.
Press it. Ooh, I hate those things.
What is that?
It's a snail.
Oh, okay, bay leaf,
Coconut.
rosemary, basil.
In the mint.
Energy house and garden.
Oh, look how that papaya's hanging. It's so funny. Look,
Look, family gardening.
Weighing the whole tree down. Look.
look. It's not even on the top.
This we're walking through UH right now. I don't know where this, but there was a garden place that we entered in through Manoa side somewhere. Was it a year ago or 2 years ago that whole side was on fire? And look, it's all lush and green now. Maybe it was a year ago.
I think that's the line with all the flat lines. Like, yeah, I got them.
I don't want to bring you down too.
What's the word then?
Beautiful.
Reading something how this is designed to be like to replicate the stages of the
There used to be a tea house, I think, up there.
He said it was given, I think, by the Prince of Japan in the 60s or something.
Is that right?
The Japan part.
Interesting.
We watched it go from here to like here within a week.
Wow, that fast?
It was going so fast.
Yeah, and on your app, you can tell them you're here. And then they bring up the food to you. So,
Hey, look, this is where the National Weather Service is. Right here. Thanks, guys. All the warnings. Campus Center, yeah?
it's
Papi Cheney, Papi Cheney, Campus Center. You guys remember over here, yeah? Or Campus Center? Yeah, $75. University of Manoa, UH.
That'd be too much of a
There's a parking lot over there, and the fields, the game fields are down over there. And there's 3 people who just stand there forever.
any shows inside Andrews
I did. I got to see catch a fire in there.
Oh, for real?
It's an amphitheater over here. Coliseum style. The seats, I remember you get white on your pants or some kind of light color dust of something, so you gotta wear jeans or something that you don't care. Oh, yeah. Okay. No, sorry, it didn't. Look,
Usually when I eat quinoa, it doesn't taste good.
that's Israel. That's so far away. No, look at all the monarch. Look at the monarch on this car. Oh, his wings are not good. Ah, look at that. Beautiful art. Interesting. It's cool. Never seen that. This is Punahou schools right here. They're getting ready for their carnival. Cheryl said no, it's not open to the public. It's only for the family immediate. Yeah, so whoever's going to school there now and their families and faculty and staff, that's all that's going to be invited to the Punahou Carnival this year. It's not open to the public. Huh?
No malasadas for us.
No. Or Portuguese bean soup.
Like expand them all out.
What is this? Sacred Heart.
Drake said when we went over, I think it was here.
That's awesome too.
Oh, nice.
Austin didn't like. What? It said Sacred Heart over there.
It's a church. It's not part of, I don't think it's part of the
Oh, it's all cavern.
That's where the drainage tunnel comes out.
It's gonna be cool.
Well, you can see in the tunnel.
Yeah. Leads to.
that goes to that apartment.
That leads
condo.
This
to.
is, and That's the same canal that goes
Puno
right
Cliffs
by
over there.
my building.
That's pretty much the end of our walk. Don't get hit by that car, Peter. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Click the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a new video, go live. You can support us on Patreon. Or we also have our channel membership. And we have PayPal. You can donate to us if you like. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Aloha.
Aloha. Okay.
That's the eel, you know. That's a tofu. I only have two left. Yeah.
Oh, do you?
I have chicken, broccoli and tofu.
Okay.
One tofu.
Yeah, this is tofu.
Okay, okay, I took that.
Oh, I give you one.
Oh, doesn't matter.
Some one.
10 and 18.
28.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a nice day.
Thank you.
I should have bought that too.
Mm.
Hi, Eden.
Yeah, Ceylon.
Rylan, Chinese breakfast.
No, no. Okay.